Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we will learn how to calculate sum in our Excel sheet. So we have already our data table. Now I want to calculate the sum of this column forest. Now I want to calculate the sum of these all numeric values. So various formulas are provided by Excel to calculate the sum for particular fields. My requirements are clear to some particular fields. I want to calculate sum from F7 to F20. So these numbers sum will be calculated. So one formula which is called sum is used to calculate sum. So first go to the cell where you want to display the sum. So I am displaying here grand total and I want to display sum here. So I am writing is equal to sum. Now IntelliSense will display automatically sum formula. Select the field from which you want to start your sum and drag it over to the last cell. So automatically you can see F20 is displayed. So this is the formula is equal to sum first cell and last cell for calculating sum and press enter. So you can see sum is calculated, which is 47,26,670 rupees. So this is how you can calculate sum in Excel sheet. There is another way of calculating sum also by function. You can directly write here function, or you can use wizards to calculate sum, which we will see in next video tutorial. Thank you.